Hey beautiful people, I'm Lupe. I hope you're having a beautiful day so far. Today I'm showing you, well actually, hold up, I am hooking you up with this beautiful soft pink look for Valentine's Day. Inspired heavily on Kylie Jenner, it's been seen on her a couple of times throughout the past year. This right here is pretty much a monochromatic look. Now I don't know if you've personally tried this at home in your own comfort where you apply pretty much one shade or one color throughout the entire face, but I think some looks work great on me and then others just don't. But this right here really is working for me and it'll work amazing on you too. So let's go ahead and learn how to create this very easy makeup look in just 3 easy steps. Let's begin, my love. So I've already primed my eye with eyeshadow primer and now I'm taking Love, which is a matte cotton candy pink eyeshadow color. It's always really best to use a really big fluffy blending brush for the first eyeshadow since it'll evenly distribute the color over a big area such as this one, especially when creating a smoky eye. I'm also taking that same pink eyeshadow but using a different brush. I'm using this flat shader brush, perfect for applying eyeshadow on the lid and lower lash line. As you can tell, the application is flawless with this brush, if I do say so myself. You can totally use a blending brush as well, but keep in mind that the shadow would be extended further down if you do this or if you use a bigger blending brush. Now the second step in achieving this easy pink eyeshadow makeup look is to take a shimmery pink eyeshadow just like this one. Some of you don't love glitter but still do like a little bit of shimmer, and so that's what I really love about this look because it's quite subtle but it still has minimal sparkle, making it perfect for an everyday colorful look. It's as easy as swiping your finger across the lid, or of course you can totally use a brush to avoid getting shimmer all over your fingers, your clothes maybe if you're like me, if you have that really bad habit of wiping yourself on your clothes. Yeah, that's me. Now you can't forget your brow highlight. I'm using this Pearl Champagne eyeshadow and applying it with a fluffy angled brush. This here is completely optional. I wanted my eye a little bit darker only because, dang, here I go, I really wanted to match with this one hat I was wearing. Yes. So anyways, if you want to darken the look a bit without using a darker eyeshadow or a completely different eyeshadow for that matter, take that same pink eyeshadow and this time around use a smaller blending brush and apply the eyeshadow in a sideways V shape. This is why you wouldn't want to start a smoky eye using a small brush because that small brush does pack a punch. It will hold more product and as a result make the base color as dark as the following eyeshadows. Makes the overall look a lot darker and pigmented. The third step to Kylie Jenner's soft pink makeup look is the eyeliner. So I'm taking Volatile, which I think that's a strange name for an eyeshadow. I mean, don't you think? I'm taking this cool brown eyeshadow and using it as my eyeliner. I don't spray it with setting spray because that'll only enhance the pigmentation and we definitely don't want that for this look. We're going more for a soft look, so dip your angled brush or flat brush and line it as if you were using a regular liquid or gel eyeliner. Once you're done creating your wing, curl those lashes. Kylie has some pretty long wispy lashes, so I'm using this pair right here. Would you ever get eyelash extensions? I feel like they generally look like this. Lashes very spaced out, very wispy, kind of like mosquito legs. Speaking of mosquito legs, this mascara really transformed my lower lashes. I think it's because I really took the time with them, trying to make them look like the top lashes. So yeah, what do you guys think of this final look? Please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. I seriously hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's very easy. It's probably the most simplest look that I've created in a while and shown you guys how to create it. But a really important thing I want you to be conscious of is to avoid feeling FOMO on Valentine's Day. I know you're probably going to see a bunch of cutesy stuff, all yada yada, all these couples, yada yada, kiss kiss, that. If you happen to be single, you're seeing someone, I really think it's a great time for you to kind of reflect and, you know, appreciate the fact that you are single. Girl, what are you doing? I believe it's always a great time to work on yourself. You don't need no man. You don't need no woman to make you happy. You get into the wrong relationships when there's a lack of healing on your side. Think about it this way. If you're on a low frequency and let's say for example the love of your life is on a high frequency, you're never going to match or find one another because you're not operating on the same frequency. You're down here and so you're attracting all of those wrong ones. You're constantly attracting other people that have low vibrations, essentially wrong relationships. So don't feel bad, my love. Don't feel lonely on this day. Truly invest the time in yourself, making yourself happy, and all good things will follow. I love you guys so much. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Next week. What is this thing doing here? I love you guys so much. Mwah!